when you do an external, you're removing thousands of pounds of dirt because you have to create a trench all the way around your home and also have a plan of action for all those things to be put back in place, such as a driveway or such as a back deck, those type of things, versus an internal system. You might have to replace some drywall, repair some carpet, but that's very minimal in the idea of replacing your entire external, as well as possibly even killing your plant life. Drain tiles on exterior may initially work, but as we know, time, and so dirt and debris will settle into those pipes and they can quite often clog or back up. And the only way to service that or maintain that is to have new excavation, dig up the old, and then reapply and clear out that blockage. Versus an interior system, you don't have to have that, and it can be yearly maintained through a port and inspection. So you don't have to have that every year of maintenance of digging up, because most homeowners want a one and done with their waterproofing.